a record-breaking hot day today. You can't do that. Your followers are gonna have to just deal with the background ventilation noise.
Okay, so we just got ice cream and coffee. My diet went out the window. This is so good. It's vegan though. Does that count for anything? I don't know why I said put the cookie here because it's hard now.
Yeah, you have to add the cookie yourself. Did he give you the other half of the cookie that he messed up? Should we get Cabo on the way home? Look at that.
Yeah, how far is it?
Cabo, there's one here, I think.
Where?
You know what we should have done? This to see who gets to pick the coffee spot and then the lunch spot.
Do it now.
It's too late. We need already called
Lunch.
Wow, Cabo's in the Heights. You could have got Jenny's. Is it?
Okay, last bite.
Yeah, it's on the Heights.
What, Cabo? Oh, Cabo. I don't know Cabo.
Okay, fine. Let's see who wins for lunch.
Okay. My last big bite. There's ice cream in here. I mean, there's cookie in here, guys. Okay.
Okay, best 2 out of 3. That's ready, set, shoot. No. Yeah.
Rock, paper, shoot.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Now we're gonna keep it.
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
1-1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah. What, Cabo?
Yep.
I want you to Aladdin. No. Why? It's so good.
Cabo or sushi or
Definitely not sushi. Okay. The coffee here is usually so good.
maybe a salad. Ooh, sweet green. A salad sounds so refreshing today.
Popeyes?
Yeah. I think sweet green is gonna be my choice.
No sushi.
Sweet green.
What about Mercendino Farms? Or Condo Farms? Where the fuck?
Mendocini farms?
Mendocino Farms, yeah.
No, they have like sandwiches. You like their salad?
Never been.
So then,
Their coffee is usually so good. They make their milk in-house. That is disgusting today.
maybe I could do a half a tuna sandwich with a salad.
What am I doing?
Tuna salad sandwich, and then a salad, so that way I'm full. From Mendocini Farm.
Oh, local farms.
No, I hate local foods.
Why? Local foods. Why?
Disgusting.
Flower Child?
Flower Child's uptown.
Yeah, we're right by the arena. There's the other.
But I really want some greens today.
There's that other salad place that just opened up here.
What?
Chop salad. Chop shop. I hate Chop Shop though.
Okay, so then why are you offering it?
Oh, what about that Thai place that's halal in Uptown? You know what I mean? If I went to Sangaringo.
Saying
What's that fine dining?
Pram. Yeah, I don't want fine dining.
What else?
Red Cannon. Without lazy, wow.
Oh, ask Laura if she wants to join us in the mall. Go to Stanton City Lights.
I was thinking that.
No, I mean, Club City Clippers.
Ew,
Club
hell
City.
no. Oh, hell no. I think the stands could be a vibe.
Nah. Oh, Zoa!
It's the same as Kava.
Yeah, it is.
No, I'm really feeling a salad for lunch.
I'm not.
I finally start eating healthy and you don't want a salad?
Definitely not. When my camera's hot. No, I don't want it. Unless we're going to Aladdin, then I'll eat like fish.
No, I don't want Arab food. Enough Arab food.
First up, we came to this super cute little like coffee house. They're known for their cookies. It's called Tiny's Milk and Cookies, and they have the most delicious baked goods. They also have like lattes and ice cream and stuff. Super, super cute. I'll show you guys around. There's so many people here. It is so freaking hot today. Okay, so this is the side. It's so cute. It's like an open house concept. It's like an open house concept. So cute. But yeah, we're just grabbing some coffees and some ice cream maybe. It's so hot. It's a little bit later. We're at a carnival now. Are you excited? It's the Eid carnival. It's an Eid carnival in our community. It's the second one. So we're super excited to be here. Alright, let's go. Good job.
We go up there.
We're back in the car now. The carnival was fun, but pretty chaotic. There's a lot of like little jumping places set up, and it was hard to get like the kids to cooperate, like standing in line and waiting to go in. And then once they went in, it was like kind of stressful because you wanted to make sure the kids were safe, but it was fun. We got cotton candy at the end, and now the kids are just drained. So we're going home. Tomorrow is actually Mother's Day, so we got my mom an iPhone and we gifted it to her before coming, and now we want to get something for my sister Mariam since she's also a mom. So Sana and I are planning to, I don't know, maybe stop somewhere and just pick something up, at least like a bouquet of flowers, because we wanted to give her a gift card anyway, just so she can buy whatever she wants, or go on like maybe a massage. Ooh, maybe we should just buy her a massage gift card. I think she would really enjoy that, yeah? Yes? But yeah, today was pretty eventful. I'm kind of drained now. We were at the mall for 3 hours and we were stuck in traffic for 2. So we got home at like 6:30 and then got back in the car and came straight to this carnival at like 7:15. And now it's 9 o'clock and we're just not going home. Santa Carla is not here yet. Let me call her. But yeah, now we're just sitting in the car waiting for my sister. She went in to go buy a hijab from a vendor that she saw, and she's like drooling over. So let me call her and see how long she's taking.
Hello?
How long?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay,
There's some drama happening. I was just watching.
wow.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. So yeah, it's been fun. I miss Ramadan routine though so much. Last night I went out with my friends and I came home at like 2 a.m. and I was telling my friend, I was like, usually I would be awake at 2 a.m. like doing some sort of ibadah or just being way more productive with my time. But here I am just like, I don't know, just out in the free will. Yeah, just chilling. So when I like remember to keep a constant routine of like doing small acts of goodness or deeds, just so I don't lose like the hang of it. So yeah. Huh? Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, well I'll see you guys a little bit later. We're at Pasha now. It's like I've been hopping around all day today, but we're celebrating Mother's Day at Pasha.
Mother's Day.
How do you feel being a mother of 2?
I feel great. I want to be a mother of 3.
No, don't be.
You're gonna be a single mother of 3 with no collars. Hey, pass me this, yeah.
Okay, let me show you guys our food. So cute. So we got a fruit platter. Delish. Oh my god, is this moldy? That's moldy. Yeah, look at that. It's moldy.
Okay, don't put on your story.
No, it's on my video.
Let me see. Take a piece out. The fruit rots, man. Get over it.
No, they should. That's
Oh
not.
hell nah. I already have fungus in my body.
Yeah, I want a new platter.
Okay, come on. They can move that one piece.
My vlog knows you're a smoker. They've seen you smoke before.
Alright, don't judge. Jasra, simply Jasra followers.
I think a large plate is too large. We could have gone for a small.
What is this called? Black? There's so many people here today.